Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And I'm looking to see if the Gear 360 2017 will upload its video to my computer without having to upload it to the phone and then upload it to the computer. So right now I'm using the front camera in just the single picture mode. As you can see, I'm watching the video and I'm watching it on my phone at the same time. So this is the first one, and I'm going to let you know whether it did it or not. Okay, so it looks like it's done that fine with the single. So let's go ahead and do it again, and we're going to go into dual camera mode, which would be 360. And just to add, right now I had it in the single mode, which this right now, being in the single mode, this side of the camera is the front. So when you see you'll see the green light, and that is in single and front camera mode. When you go to do the single rear camera, it's going to be the other side, and that's going to be a green light, and that's going to be blacked out, but you're going to be able to see your digital readout, which is on this side. So just remember, when you're in single mode, if you see this one, your back side is the rear and this camera is the front, according to your digital readout. So now I'm going to go to dual mode, and when I do the dual mode, the back camera, which is rear, is going to be actually the front camera when you're doing the dual. So that's what I wanted to bring out, is the fact that once you go to dual, this back one is going to be your front camera. So you don't get confused. I'm always confused with this, especially if I turn out the LED lights. Always confuses me as to which camera is the front and back during what mode. Alright, here we are. And now I'm doing the dual mode or 360. So now I'll wait to see if once I upload it, it'll actually be in 360 when it goes to my computer. And then once it's in the computer, whether it's actually going to be in the 360 mode or just front and back picture. And like I explained in the other video, now the front camera of the 2017 is the opposite from the LED, which is the front camera when it's in single mode, and this camera here would be the rear in single mode. Alright, here we go. Gonna go ahead and get this. Try again. Just sucked them in really quick. So as we can see, I got both videos up. This was 6, that was 7, so 7 is the newest one. We'll select. Now it's uploading. Appears it did it. Okay, there it is. Alright, here we are. Now but I don't see it being in true 360. So I got a front and I got a rear picture, which is okay. Just you can't float around the room when you're doing it. Now what'll tell me is if it's in true 360 mode is I've got a app that it's Insta360 Studio, and what you're able to do with this is when you download your picture, I'm gonna be able to do it or not, I don't know. I got 16. I'm not seeing 17, which would be in a 3. '17 was the was in 360 or dual. I am not seeing that here. What happened? Wonder why. '16 is 17 there. Let's see if it's gonna go.
Alright, here we are.
Hmm?
And now I'm doing the dual mode or
What you got going?
360.
Got nothing. It's black.
Now I'll wait to see if
It's a black screen. I got nothing.
it likes me.
Export video.
When it goes to my computer,
Huh.
then
Which means it's not stitched.
whether it's actually going to be in
It's here, but it's not stitched.
or just front and back.
This here, if it's in true 360, I can turn the screen around and I can lock it. And that's what you're going to view. But you can still, when it's uploaded to YouTube, you can still take your cursor and spin the video around to see wherever you want to go. But this makes it so you can turn it. You can turn the video around and you can lock it. And then go ahead and export it. And now you can go ahead and put it in my case I use Movie Maker, and then make the video and then send it up to YouTube or Facebook in the 360 form. But I am not seeing video. I'm hearing, I can hear my voice, but I don't have any video, which means it hasn't been stitched yet. So it's got to go through my phone. It's going to have to go through the phone to be stitched and then uploaded. Okay, so now I've uploaded the 360 video from the 2017 onto the phone, and then I uploaded it to the computer, and that made it so I can say here's the 360 here, but it's not showing that it's actually 360 on the video. But I went in, I took the Insta360, and I uploaded it into it. And as you can now see, I can grab this and I can spin it 360. So that works that way. Now, what you do is you go up here and you punch capture, and now it opens the whole frame here. So now what I can do is take it back to the beginning. Maybe over here. Now, by clicking on that, now you have these other frame perimeters, default, perspective, little planet, and then the final one, can't get it saw what it's doing, but there you go. You got your world. There's the little planet, and you go in, you take it in and out as you want it, and then back to default. Now, by turning it where you want it, you click on this little icon here and confirm, and it locks it, and it'll lock it into that position. When you hit it again, it makes a stop dot. So whatever this was prior to this dot is where it's going to be. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it around, and then I'm going to go ahead and start it, and that's where it's going to stay. So it makes it pretty cool when you want to, and then you go over and do export, and it'll send it back into whatever file that you wanted it, and that's where it's going to stay. And then you can send it to, in my case, I use Movie Maker, and then I can do all my editing on that from that point. So, conclusion here is, if you're going to do a 360, you're going to have to download it or upload it into your phone so it will stitch it, and then you'll be able to put it on, bring it into your computer, return from the lips, recording reset, confirm, and it takes it back out of there. Now when you're in here, it's now in this position here. I still can't. And we 360. Maybe the 4. Oh, maybe this is the newest. Is this the newest one?
Alright, here we are. And now I'm doing the dual mode for 360.
Okay. So that's what it's going to look when you get your 360. I still can't spin it around on my phone. Okay. P4177. Get back, and then dual picture in 360. Panorama. But anyway, that shows that if you're in 360 mode, you're going to have to upload it through your computer, through your phone, and upload it into the computer from your phone. But if you're in regular video mode, front or rear, you can upload it immediately. And well, you can still upload the 360 by itself, because you're gonna get the dual picture. You're gonna get the dual picture, and then in 360, after it's been stitched by your phone, it's gonna look like this. Alright, so thanks for watching. I hope that answered some questions for you, because it answered mine. I'd like to be able to use that camera more often than using the cell phone here. A better quality, and it's easy to maneuver when you set it down. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to comment, and I think the next I'll do another video on this one here. Even though, you know, this one is now really really obsolete. And that was the thing. That's kind of why I stepped up to buy the 2017 model. But I think even, well, this isn't outdated as far as the Gear 360 is concerned, because that's the newest one. But I'm thinking of even moving over into the Insta 360 series cameras and try them out. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely click on the DC at the bottom of the video here and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs.